Love has nothing to do with what you are expecting to get, only with what you are expecting to give, which is everything. It is a curious thought, but it is only when you see people looking ridiculous that you realize just how much you love them. The greatest happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved. Loved for ourselves, or rather, loved in spite of ourselves. In love there are two things: bodies and words. Love makes your soul crawl out from its hiding place. There is always madness in love, but there is also always some reason in madness. Nobody has ever measured, even poets, how much a heart can hold. Have enough courage to trust love one more time, and always one more time. Love does not consist in gazing at each other, but in looking outward together in the same direction. Love is a fire. But whether it is going to warm your hearth or burn down your house, you can never tell. I love her, and it is the beginning of everything. When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. Never love anyone who treats you like you're ordinary. Lots of people want to ride with you in the limo, but what you want is someone who will take the bus with you when the limo breaks down. Love is something sent from heaven to worry the hell out of you. There is nothing I would not do for those who are really my friends. I have no notion of loving people by halves. It is not my nature. Love is an irresistible desire to be irresistibly desired. The giving of love is an education in itself. Life is the flower for which love is the honey. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. We are most alive when we are in love. The only thing we never get enough of is love, and the only thing we never give enough of is love. There is only one happiness in this life: to love and be loved. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. Love does not dominate, it cultivates. Love is the whole thing, we are only pieces. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. There is no charm equal to tenderness of the heart.